There has never been a Supreme Court ruling like it in the UK. All 11 judges ruled today that Prime Minister Boris Johnson's advice to the Queen and the decision to suspend Parliament for 5 weeks were both unlawful. All of this happening in the countdown to the Brexit deadline of October 31st. The head of the Supreme Court made the ruling perfectly clear.
This court has already concluded that the Prime Minister's advice to Her Majesty was unlawful, void and of no effect. Parliament has not been prorogued.
And opposition leaders were very quick to call for Boris Johnson's resignation. Redmond Shannon explains what's happened.
It's been 2 solid months of defeats for Boris Johnson, but this loss is like no other in British history.
This was not a normal prorogation in the run-up to a Queen's speech. It prevented Parliament from carrying out its constitutional role.
The 11 Supreme Court judges ruling unanimously that the Prime Minister acted unlawfully and that he gave no good reason for suspending Parliament for so long.
The effect on the fundamentals of our democracy was extreme.
Those who led the 2 lawsuits say this is about the law and not Brexit.
Good morning.
Although they also happen to oppose the UK leaving the EU too.
We are a nation governed by the rule of law. Laws that everyone, even the Prime Minister, is not above.
The opposition smells blood even as it deals with its own Brexit divisions.
Boris Johnson has been found to have misled the country. This unelected Prime Minister should now resign.
Meeting with another embattled leader in New York, Johnson says he's not going anywhere.
Let's be absolutely clear. We respect the judiciary in our country. We respect the court. I disagree profoundly with what they had to say.
So much so, he's prepared to break another law, one that may compel him to delay Brexit just to fulfill the will of the people.
They want to get this thing done by October the 31st, and that's what we're going to do.
Parliament resumes on Wednesday morning and expect some verbal fireworks. You would think that things couldn't get any worse than this for a sitting Prime Minister, but as always with Brexit, never say never.